right side, left side, this piece facing down, this piece facing down. The short piece always facing the tailgate. First thing you do is 10 millimeter and 8 millimeter. The nut on the back side here, the bolt here. You take this bolt out. Once you take this bolt out, grab the bracket, put your bracket on. Make sure to put it in the top hole, not the bottom hole, otherwise it will not fit. Put your nut back on, leave it loose so you have play in the bracket. Next step to do, use a number 3 screwdriver bit. Take these 2 screws out. Line the bracket up with the holes. Put them in about halfway. The silver hook back here, this piece here, adjust back and forth by hand. There's a bed hook inside the bed here. Take your silver hook, hook it into the bed, adjust it by hand, screw your 2 screws back down, make sure they're tight. Take your 10 millimeter and your 8 millimeter and tighten up the bolt that you left loose. And repeat the same steps for the other side.